WinTool integrates seamlessly with EdgeCAM. Beginning in WinTool, I locate my project and I can fire up EdgeCAM directly from there. The WinTool-EdgeCAM interface consists of 4 additional buttons. The Set button is to initialize the interface after installation. The Get button brings tools from the WinTool Central Tool database into EdgeCAM. And then, the Put button saves back to WinTool the list of tools used in the program. The Del button, disabled by default, is to reset the EdgeCAM tool store. Let's start with Get. I can bring a single tool assembly or a list of tools. Let's first bring the resident tool list for the machine I'm working with. By favoring the use of resident tools, which always remain on the magazine of the machine, I am decreasing the machine setup time on the shop floor. My WinTool tools have been created in my EdgeCAM project and tool store. They came in fully defined, including all geometry parameters values filled in from WinTool, as well as 3D model for simulation and collision checks. We can see in the tool store all the resident tools imported from WinTool. If I need another tool, no problem. I can go get a single tool assembly this time. I can enter its number or do a search using different customizable filters. I look for the End-mill tool class. I can refine my search using multiple parameters such as diameter, length, and keywords. Tool search is made very easy. For each tool, I can see graphic data, information about components, and cutting conditions as well. And then, as I click on Select, the tool that I need, along with its cutting conditions, is imported into EdgeCAM. Here is the tool definition in the project. And here are the cutting conditions imported from WinTool. Now let's create an operation, starting with a roughing operation on a pocket feature. I'm selecting the end-mill I just imported from WinTool. Let's check it in simulation. I can see the 3D model of my real tool, so there won't be any surprise later on the shop floor. Fast forward, I've created more operations with WinTool tools and I'm finished with programming. Now is the time to hit the Put button to save the tool list back to WinTool. As I click OK, my tool list has been instantaneously created in a WinTool Central database, and I can attach it to my project. I can add any file type, including pictures, videos, and anything else that I can open in Windows. I'll attach the NC program as well. WinTool now has all the documentation required for that project, which is available anywhere in the shop on any network PC or tablet. I have each tool, its parameters, and I can issue in one click a setup sheet, including graphic data, and completely customizable under different formats. I can include inventory data if I'm tracking inventory through WinTool. I can also click to send all required tool data to the presetter, which support all major brands, including tool type, geometry, nominal and min-max values, program number, etc. Seamless integration, the WinTool-EdgeCAM interface. Contact us now to get a personalized demo. Thanks for watching.